Hello students, I am back for one more video of IELTS writing task 2. So far I have given lot of strategies and tips on listening, but this is our first video of writing task 2. And if we count the total number of video, this is our 6th video of IELTS. Students, since I am going to take writing task 2, let me explain to you what is whole writing. So there are total two tasks. Task 1 and task 2 of IELTS writing. So what is the writing task 2? So there are total 7 types of tasks we have in IELTS. The timing is 20 minutes that you need to complete this task in 20 minutes. So here I write. You need to complete this task in 20 minutes and there is a word limit for writing task 2 and the word limit is 150 words. There is a limit of this task. You can write more than 150 words, but keep in mind that you should not write less than 150 words. When you write less than 150 words, you are going to get less bad. So you can go beyond 150 words, you can write 155 words, you can write 150 words or above 160, but you should not go more than 160 words. So this is writing task 1. I am going to explain to you in brief. The first graph, that is called line graph. The second one you have bar graph. The third we have pie chart. The fourth is table. The fifth one is map. The sixth is process. And the seventh is multiple. So it is all about writing task 1 and you need to complete this writing task 1 in 20 minutes and it is 150 words. So there are ways of writing task 1. You need to write. There should be a proper format of writing task 1. There is introduction, then body and conclusion. So there are total 3 things we have in task 1. Since I am going to focus more on writing task 2, this is for your knowledge. Just I have explained to you students. But now I am going to write what types of essays that you have in writing task 2. So we are going to focus more on writing task 2. And I am going to give you the types of essays that you have in IELTS. There are total 8 types of essays that we have and what are the body paragraphs, what is introduction, what conclusion. So there is a proper format of Cambridge and that we need to follow. Since there are 8 types of essay, I am going to explain it, all 8 types of essays and the format, what you need to write, the word limit, timings and the whole process of writing task 2. Students, now let me write down all 8 types of essays. Students, after explaining task 1, what are the things that you have, let me move to task 2. So in IELTS task 2, it is an essay. There are total 8 types of essays I have already written on the board. Else I am going to explain to you all 8 types of essay. First one is agree disagree. So what does it mean by agree disagree? If any essay is given to you, then you need to take only one stand whether you completely agree or disagree. You need to take any one stand. So it is 100% opinion that you need to write. It is your opinion and it is only 100%. You need to take only one stand whether completely agree or completely disagree with the statement. The second type of essay that we have, what extent do you agree or disagree? What extent do you agree, disagree? There is a ratio of 80-20. You can take any one of the stand. It can be 20 or 80 or 80 or 20. So it is a ratio of what extent do you agree or disagree with the given statement or with the given essay. The third type, that is cause effect or cause solution or problem solution. So this is a different categories in one of the essays, that is cause and effect. What are the causes and what are the effects of a particular topic? Cause and solution. There is a particular cause of something and you need to give your solution. That means you need to write causes and what are the solutions that you need to write in your essay. The third category, that is problem and solution. So this is all same, only the words are being changed. So it is problem and solution. So you need to discuss problems, what are the problems and what solution can be given. So you need to write that type of essay. The fourth one, discuss both views and give your opinion. So you need to discuss both the views and you need to give your opinion in the conclusion. So this is one of the essays that you have, discuss both the views and give your opinion. The fifth one, advantage and disadvantage. So when you write this essay, you need to write advantages and what are the disadvantages of a particular topic. I would like to give you an example of using computer. These days are the advantages or disadvantages. So you need to write advantages and disadvantages of the particular topic. The sixth essay, that is, do the advantages outweigh disadvantages? That means there are number of advantages than the disadvantages. So this is one of the essays. Or the same, do the disadvantages outweigh advantages? So there are number of disadvantages than advantages. So this is both the type, you need to write any one of the type of the essay. Okay. The seventh type, that is question based, and it is rarely asked. And question based, the question is asked, you need to give the solution of the questions. And the eighth type of essay, that is discuss or opinion essay. Here you need to discuss and give your opinion. So this is 8 type of essays, students, that we have in IELTS. We 8 types of essays in writing task. This is all 8 type of essays, students, but you need to keep in mind there is a limit for words and there is a time limit as well. So what is the time limit we have? The time limit is 40 minutes. You need to complete this task in 40 minutes. And what is the word limit for writing task 2? The word limit is 250 words. There should be only 250 words? No. This is, you can write 250 words, but make sure your essay should not be below 250 words. If you write below 250 words, then definitely you are going to get less band of IELTS. And when you write more than 250 or maybe 255, 275, 280, okay, no problem. But there is also a limit that you should not do more than 280. Keep in mind, this is 40-minute task. You need to complete this task in 250 words, not less than 250 words. I have explained, students, all 8 types of essays of IELTS. Now, there is a proper format of IELTS writing task 2. So, I am going to explain to you, students, what is that proper format. How are you going to write, how are you going to begin your essay. So, there is first introduction, then body part 1, body part 2, conclusion. This is all format that we are going to discuss, students. Students, now there is a proper format of IELTS writing task 2. I have explained to you 8 types of essays. I have given the word limit, timings, everything I have explained to you, students. Now, this is the format of writing task 2. So, first one, that is introduction. The first, that is introduction. Now, in introduction, students, what you need to write in introduction, the first sentence, that is called global sentence. So, here, global sentence. Now, what is the global sentence? Global sentence means whatever topic is being asked to you, you need to write one sentence related to the topic. If your topic is on education, you need to write one topic or one sentence on education. Your topic is on politics, you need to write any one of the sentences on politics. If your topic is on religion, so your one sentence, the beginning sentence of your introduction should be related to religion. Now that is called global sentence. Now what is the second type? That means in introduction, what is the second thing? The second thing is paraphrasing. Now students, paraphrasing means you need to write synonyms of the given topic. If your essay is on religion, then you need to write or you need to paraphrase whatever topic is given to you. So you need to write synonyms of the word and you can write in introduction. So that is called paraphrasing. The third one is thesis statement. Now, thesis statement, what is the thesis statement? Thesis statement is something that you are going to write in body paragraph 1. That means what you are going to write in body paragraph 1 and body paragraph 2. What are you going to discuss? So that has to be in a thesis statement. Suppose it is an agree-disagree essay. So you can write that I completely agree with this above statement and the relevant points are going to be discussed in following paragraphs or upcoming paragraphs. That means when you complete your introduction and the last line of the introduction, that is called thesis statement, it says that what are you going to write in body paragraph 1 and body paragraph 2. So this is all about introduction. There are total 3 things that you need to keep in mind: global sentence, paraphrasing and thesis statement. Now students, let us move, that is body part 1. Now in body part 1 there are 2 things, that is linkers. So first linker you need to write linker 1. Now what is linker? Linker means to connect 2 sentences. That is called linker. When you join 2 sentences, that is in English language we call conjunction. But we are not going to write those conjunctions and or but and so. Those are coordinating conjunctions, but we are going to write subordinating conjunctions. That is, those are called linkers. However, nevertheless, firstly, secondly, in addition, those are the linkers that you need to write. So you begin your body paragraph 1 with linker. Okay. Linker number 1. Then point number 1. You need to write any one point of the given essay. So here point number 1. First you need to begin your body paragraph 1 with the linker 1. Point number 1, you need to explain the point number 1. Explanation of point 1. Explanation of point 1. Okay. Then what? The second linker that you need to write. Linker 2. You have already finished your point number 1. You want to add something. So what linker you can use? The appropriate linker is in addition. Okay. Or in further. So that is the linker. What you need to write now? Point number 2. Point number 2. And explain the point number 2. Explanation of point 2. So you need to write point 2. You need to explain. If you wish, you can write one example. Okay. So here, example. Okay. So there are total 2 body paragraphs, body paragraph 1 and body paragraph 2. That means body part 1 and body part 2. If you wish, if you want to write an example in body paragraph 1, you don't have to write in body paragraph 2. Okay, now I am going to explain to you what is body paragraph 2, what you need to write. Same it is linker 1. I am talking about body paragraph 2. Now point number 1. Point number 1. You need to explain, students. Yes, you need to explain point number 1. So again the same thing. Explanation of point 1. You need to explain point number 1 in body paragraph 2. Then what you need to write? Linker 2. Linker 2. You have already finished your point number 1. What you need to write? Point number 2. Point number You need to explain the point number 2. Yes. So I write here explanation of point. Okay, students. So this is body paragraph 1. This is body paragraph 2. What you need to write? You need to write linker number 1. That means you need to write 2 linkers in body paragraph. Linker number 1. Then point number 1. You need to explain the point. Then again one more linker. Point number 2. Explain the point number 2. So this is body paragraph 1. This is body paragraph 2. And in conclusion, what you need to write conclusion? In conclusion, you need to write only one sentence or 2 sentences which contains only 25 words. Okay, one sentence, that is one sentence. Okay. Now students, let me explain the word limit. Here, you need to write 40 to 45 words. Not more than that. If you write 50 also, it's okay. But there should be a limit. So 40 to 45 words. What is the body paragraph 1? What is the word limit of body paragraph 1? So here it is 90 words. Okay. Body paragraph 2 also 90 words. And body, that is conclusion. A conclusion should be 25 to 30 words. So students, here 45, then here 90, here also 90, here 25 to 30. So your essay, when you complete your writing task 2, it would be 250 to 255 words. Okay. But students, you can write more than if you wish, but there should not be less than 250 words that I have already mentioned in the beginning. Students, so this is all a format of IELTS writing task 2. I have explained to you students a writing task 1, writing task 2, there are 8 types of essays and the format, what you need to write in whole body paragraph 1, body paragraph 2, in conclusion, introduction. I hope students you have understood this whole writing task 2, the format and 8 types of essays. Thank you students.